Hello kids, my name is Miss Morzaria Devanshi. I am from Saraswati Group of Education. So today what are we going to do is we are going to continue with our CBC words in which C means consonant, V means vowel and C again means consonant. Consonant, vowel and consonant together makes a word. So today we are going to learn CBC words, right students? So we are going to learn today the words which are ending with E and T. That means E is a vowel and T is a consonant. The first consonant we are supposed to find now. કેમ કે સેકન્ડ વોવેલ એ આપી દીધું છે અને લાસ્ટ કોન્સોનન્ટ એ આપણને આપી દીધું છે. ફર્સ્ટ બ્લેન્ક જે સી ની છે એ જ ખાલી છે. સો આપણે અલગ અલગ ફર્સ્ટ લેટર્સ ફાઇન્ડ કરશું જે આપણે અત્યાર સુધી કરતા આવ્યા છીએ so that you can get the better practice of the words. So now we are going to continue with the same pattern, but today which words we are going to learn? Today we are going to learn the words which are ending with E and T. So let us begin with the process. So number 1, what do I do? Blank E T, right? Then what do I do now? I recite the ABC so that I can get to know which words are supposed to come here and which letter is the one which I need to fill up here, right? So let us begin. A will not come as it is itself is a vowel. A પોતે જ એક vowel છે તો એ અહીંયા આવશે નહીં, right? So I will skip the A. Then what will I do? B, BET, is that a word? Yes, it is. So what do we mean by that? Bat means શરત મારવી. શરત મારવાનું આપણે કેમ કે ચાલ બેટ લગાવીએ આપણે લોકો. So bat લગાવી means શરત મારવી. So the meaning of bat is શરત, right? And the sound formation is B A T. So તમને લોકોને દીદીએ ઈ નો સાઉન્ડ એ થાય સમજાવ્યું છે, રાઈટ? તમને લોકોને ખબર જ છે કે eggs માં, elephant માં the sound is A. So B A T, B A T, B A T. So the word is bat. Bat. So the sound formation is we have done the segmenting and the blending. Now we are going to see the example of the sentence. So what sentence can we make from that? Let us two friends are talking, they are discussing a match, cricket match. So એ લોકો શું કરે છે કે they bet upon who will win, who is going to win. એના માટે એ લોકો શું કરે છે? Bet લગાવે છે. So they decided they bet upon who is going to win today, right? So that is the example. Then let us continue with our process. A B C. CET is not a word. Then DET, no. So A B C D E will not come as it itself is a vowel. The vowel outside first should be consonant only. So let us continue. A B C D E F. FET, no, it is not a word. So once again, A B C D E F G. G, yes, GET is a word. Okay, now get, get. So the meaning of this is get, to have something, right? તમે લોકો એમ કહો ને get me a Barbie doll, get me a toy to play with. તો મારી માટે લઈ આવું. Get means to bring, લઈ આવું એને શું કહેવાય? Get, right? તો તમે જ્યારે તમારા ફ્રેન્ડ્સને કહો કે bring me a glass of water, get me a glass of water, ત્યારે તમે શું કહેતા હોય કે લઈ આવો મારા માટે, right? So get નો મતલબ થાય લઈ આવું, right? So the example of the sentence is, can you get me a glass of water? તમે મને એક પાણીનો ગ્લાસ આપી શકો છો, right? So I hope you have understand the meaning of get as well as the sentence example as well. તમને લોકોને sentence example એ સમજાઈ ગયો હશે અને get નો meaning એ સમજાઈ ગયો હશે. Now once again, A B C D E F G H. HET, no, it's not a word. A B C D E F G H I. I will not come as it itself is a vowel. I itself is a vowel. So what are we writing first? We are writing consonant. The first letter is consonant. So vowels આવશે 9. પાછું A B C D E F G H I J. J, yes, J will come. So what does jet means? Jet is a plane, right? Jet plane. So the one thing which is flying is called a jet. Airplane में તમને ખબર હશે jet airways કહે છે. So the one thing which is flying and it is a plane is called jet. Jet, right? So I hope you are able to understand the meaning of jet, and the sentence example of the same is I fly a jet. હું એક plane ઉડાડું છું. Or I can say I have flown to America in jet. Jet માં બેસીને હું અમેરિકા ગઈ હતી, right? So that is the thing which you can write. Now let us continue with the sentence again. A B C D E F G H I J K. K E T is not a word. Once again, A B C D E F G H I J K L. L, yes, L will come. So L E T, let. એટલે કરવા દો. Let me do this, let me go there. મને permission માંગતો word જે હોય એને શું કહેવાય? Let કહેવાય. If you want to ask for permission, what you will say? Let me do this, let me go there. પૂછવું હોય કોઈને એને શું કહેવાય? Let કહેવાય, right? So look at, let, right? So what is the sentence example of it? Let me get a glass of water for you. મને તારા માટે પાણીનો ગ્લાસ લઈ આવવા દે. That is, you are asking for the permission, right? Now if you want to ask your parents to go to play, what will you ask? Can you let me go to play? મને રમવા જઈ શકો છો તમે લોકો? So these are the sentence example, and we have already done the word segmenting and the blending of the same. Now let us continue with the process. A B C D E F G H I J K L M M E T. Yes, it is a word. So M E T. So what do we mean by mat? Mat means મલ્યાતા. It is the past form of meet. આપણે મહિલા હોય તો એને શું કહેવાય? We મહિલાતા એમ કેવું હોય તો we'll say we met yesterday. આપણે લોકો ગઈકાલે મળ્યા તા. બટ આપણે કાલે મળવાના હોય તો શું કહેશું? Tomorrow we are going to meet. તો meet નું past form જે મહિલા હોય એને શું કહેવાય? Met. So I met your sister yesterday. હું તમારી બેનને ગઈકાલે મળી હતી. So the sentence example is I met your sister yesterday. And the word formation is met. Met. Right? So I hope you have understood the word formation as well as the sentence example of the same. Now we are going to continue with our process. Right? A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P M N N E T. Yes. So net is having two different meanings, right? एक तो internet which we are using, so it is called internet, but the short form is net. જે તમે ડેટા યુઝ કરો છો તમારા ફોનમાં નેટ આવે છે, it is because of this only. And another meaning is જે નેટનું કપડું હોય, મમ્માને કહેજો મને નેટનું એક કપડું પડે. It is a type of fabric as well. So જે see through હોય એની આરપાર દેખાતું હોય એને નેટ કહેવાય. So net is having two meaning. It is a type of a fabric as well. It is a internet connection which we are using, right? So net is having two meaning, and the word formation is net, right? And the sentence example for the same is I use net every day. I love to wear net clothes. So these are the examples which I have already given. From that you can make up your own sentences. Now we are going to continue with the process. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O. O will not come as it is a vowel. O એક vowel છે તો આપણે એને લેશું નહીં. Once again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Yes, P will come. The word is pet. So, what do we mean by pet? Pet मतलब આપણા હાઉસમાં આપણા ઘરમાં જે પાળીતું એનિમલ હોય જે આપણા ઘરમાં આપણી સાથે આપણી મેમ્બરની જેમ રહેતું હોય એને શું કહેવાય? પેટ કહેવાય. ડોગ્સ હોઈ શકે, કેટ હોઈ શકે, ઘણા બધા એનિમલ્સને તમે તમારા ઘરે તમારી સાથે રાખી શકો છો. સો જે એનિમલ્સ આપણા ઘરમાં આપણી સાથે રહેતા હોય they are called pet. So domestic animals are called our pet. So pet, right? So that is the thing. Now I have two pets. એવો એક સેન્ટેન્સ એક્ઝામ્પલ છે. My pet is a very brilliant dog. એવી રીતે હું એક્ઝામ્પલ આપી શકું છું સેન્ટેન્સના. તો તમને જેવી રીતે તમારા સેન્ટેન્સ ફોર્મ કરવા હોય એવી રીતે તમે કરી શકો છો, રાઈટ? ઓકે, then the next thing we are continuing our process. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. No, QET is not a word. Once again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. RET is not a word. Once again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Yes, it will be a word. So, SET. Set मतलब arrange करूँ. To set something. To arrange something means to set. I have set all the rules. मैं બધા rules set કરી લીધા છે. That is the example of the sentence. Set. Right? So set કરું means arrange કરું, ગોઠવવું, રાખવું. That means set. I hope you have understood the sentence formation and the word formation. Right? Now let us continue. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. T, E, T. No, it is not a word. Once again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. U. U, E, T. U will not come as it is a vowel. Once again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Yes. P, E, T. That will come. Okay. Now, you will ask, what do you mean by that? Vet matlab veterinary. Veterinary is a doctor which treats animal. વેટરનર જે છે એ એનિમલ્સના ડોક્ટર હોય એને વેટ કહેવાય. સો જે એનિમલ્સનું ધ્યાન રાખતું હોય, એની ટ્રીટમેન્ટ કરતા હોય, એને મેડિસિન્સ દેતા હોય એ ડોક્ટર્સ જે હોય એને શું કહેવાય? વેટ કહેવાય. સો માય ડોગ ઇઝ બીંગ ટ્રીટેડ બાય અ વેટ. એનો સેન્ટેન્સ એક્ઝામ્પલ આ છે, રાઈટ? Now I hope you have understood the meaning of vet as well as the example which I have given to you. Vet is the word formation. Vet, vet. Right? So that is the thing. Now we are going to continue with our process. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. W? Yes, it will come. W, E, T, vet means Vet means ભીનું. Whenever your clothes are wet, whenever some things are wet, ભીના હોય એને શું કહેવાય? Wet. My clothes are wet because of the rain. વરસાદ આવ્યો એટલે મારા કપડા શું થઈ ગયા? ભીના થઈ ગયા. Right? So I hope you have understood the meaning of wet. અને તમે લોકોએ એનો સેન્ટેન્સ એક્ઝામ્પલ એ સમજી લીધો હશે. Wet. Right? And that was the word formation. Now we are going to continue with the process. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X. XCT is not a word. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Yes, Y will come. And the meaning is yet means haji. Yet you have not done your homework. Haji તે તારું homework કર્યું નથી. So yet નો મતલબ થાય હજી સુધી, right? So I hope you have understood the meaning of yet as well as the sentence example which I have given to you. Wow, now we are going to learn the word formation. Yes, actor, yet, right? That is the word formation. Now we are going to continue with the process. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Z will not come as it is not a word. Now what are we going to do is we are going to revise the meaning of all the words which we have learned, and then I am going to explain you the homework. So number 1 is bat. Bat means shirt lagavi. Then number 2 is get. Get means levu, right? To take something, to bring something. Then jet means plane, right? Then 4th let means permission levi, right? Met means molyata. Then net means internet and it is a type of a fabric. Net નું કપડું હોય. Then pet means a dog or cat જે આપણી સાથે રહેતું હોય, the animals which are living in our home. Then set means to arrange something. Then vet is a doctor of the animals. Then vet means pino and yet means haji, right? So these are all the words which are there which you have learned today. આજે આપણે લોકોએ 11 words learn કર્યા છે, right? So now what are you supposed to do is તમારે લોકોએ આ બધા words blank માં છે લીધી, તમને blank માં ઈથી આવશે ને આ blank તમારે fill up કરવાની રહેશે, and then આ 11 words ને use કરીને તમારે લોકોએ sentence એ લખવાના હશે. Sentences ના example બી દીદીએ તમને લોકોને આજે આપ્યા છે. So with the help of that you can make up your own, right? So this was your lecture of today. Until we meet again next time, what are we going to say? We are going to say bye.